Hello friends, in this video I am going to show you how to remove these arrows from your desktop icons. Now click on search bar and search for registry editor and run it as administrator. Here you will have to follow the path exactly as you see on the screen. Now right click on Explorer and click on New and click on Key. Name it as Shell Icons. S and I must be capital. On the right side, right click on an empty space and click on New and select string value. Name it as 29. Now right click on it and click on Modify. Now you should type this as value data. I will put this on description box, so you just have to copy and paste. After that click on OK. Now let's put this all back in the normal position. Now let's close the window. Now you will have to open Task Manager. Here look for Windows Explorer. Now right click on it and click on Restart.